Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a link on Monday.com. For example, if you're working on a board and you need to add a link, a hyperlink, so watch this video till the end and it's gonna tell you how to do it. So by the end, you'll know how to do it exactly as it is. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you're logged in, you can see there are the boards that I'm working on, and here you can see the list of those boards. So, for example, if I need to uh, open up this board, and if I'm working on this board and I need to link up these items, for example, if they are somewhere on the internet and maybe on the Google Drive, and anything related to these items are there on the internet, so I can add a link to just strengthen this row of item. So what I can do is I can click on add column. And let's see if we have any link option here. No, then what we're going to do, we're going to click on more columns, and here we can write link. So here you go, where we have this link option, and now the link has been added. The column of link has been added, and that's how you actually add a link. Now, if you need to add a specific link to a specific item, you can click on this plus icon, and here you can write the or paste the link up to you, and here you can write the name text that will be displayed. For example, .yt.com. For example, this is the link, and we can write this link to item 1. Here you go. And here you go. Now it is linked like that. There's a hyperlink. We can just click here and we'll be taken to this link. But now it won't work because obviously this was not a real link. It was just written to give you an example of. So that's how we do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.